In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use Google Authenticator for your Binance account in 2025. By adding this extra layer of security, you'll make your login and withdrawals much more secure. Let's start by understanding what two-factor authentication, or 2FA, actually is and why you should use it. Essentially, 2FA enhances your account security by adding a second level of verification, beyond just your password. Think of it as a double lock system for your digital life, so even if someone manages to get hold of your password, they won't be able to access your account without the one-time code generated by your phone. While Binance does offer its own authenticator solution, the Google Authenticator, along with any TOTP-compatible app like Authy or Microsoft Authenticator, works effectively to protect your account. Now, let's dive into the process of setting this up using the Binance website on your desktop. Start by logging into your Binance account through your browser. Once you're in, navigate to your Profile section and head over to Security Settings. Here you will find the Authenticator app section. Click on Manage and then select Enable. This will guide you through the important steps of setting up your Google Authenticator. If you haven't already, make sure to download the Google Authenticator app on your smartphone. Once the app is installed and ready, you'll have two main setup options: scanning the QR code provided or manually inputting the setup key. Both methods are straightforward. If you choose to scan the QR code, simply open the Google Authenticator app, tap the plus icon, and select Scan a QR code. Focus your phone's camera on the QR code shown on your Binance site until it successfully registers. If you need to input the setup key manually, type in the key shown on the Binance website within the Google Authenticator app. Once you've set up your Authenticator app with Binance, head back to the site and click Next. Here, you'll be prompted to enter the 6-digit code that now appears on your Google Authenticator app. Remember, this code refreshes every 30 seconds, so be sure to enter it promptly. Upon successful entry, this verifies and activates your Google Authenticator 2FA for your Binance account. And there you have it. Your Google Authenticator two-factor authentication is now active, providing your Binance account with enhanced security. This means an additional barrier against unauthorized access, ensuring that your crypto assets remain safe. As always, I recommend you keep the backup setup key in a secure place, in case you need to recover your Google Authenticator app. Following these steps will help ensure that your account remains protected in this increasingly digital world. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tech tips and guides.